Hey yo, fellow Legonians, fellow Brick fans, and fellow YouTubers of the viewing audience. This is DaveFrost1, reporting once again with another LEGO set review. And this time it is of the Park Tractor set. Really interesting vehicle, and there are no stickers in this set. Really cool farmer or park attendant minifigure. Comes with a watering can, really cool overalls, and good facial print. And there's the back of the torso print, but no back facial printing. You know, it would not be a bad idea to include a trailer, hitch, and hayride for this set. That's a cool alternative I might add in the future. Anyways, I know there's a acorn or nut and squirrel included, but I already featured them in the set I just reviewed, the Picnic in the Park set. So that's that. Anyways, this trailer here has a broom, shovel, tree, and ladybug, and a bunch of plants for like carrots and stuff. A lot of cool stuff in there. And that is really all there is for this small set. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stick around for more great LEGO and Transformer content coming to the future of this channel. And more great LEGO content on the way very soon. I shall see you all next time. Don't forget to hang loose, and so long.